Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my February 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium Unboxing. I am so excited that this got here pretty quickly. A few days ago I got my BOXYCHARM base box. I already did my unboxing video of that and that's up on my channel if you want to check that out. I also have already received my Ipsy Glam Bag X and my Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is my last beauty subscription box that I had left to receive for the month, and I am so excited to see what's in the box. So this is a $35 a month subscription, and if you're not familiar with BOXYCHARM, it's a monthly beauty subscription, and the BOXYCHARM Premium Box is $10 more than the regular BOXYCHARM box, and you're supposed to get a couple more products and some more retail value to it. I am usually very happy with my BOXYCHARM Premium boxes. Last month I was really excited about it, so let's hope that I love this month's box. So right on top is product information, love to see it. And then next section, here is a palette. And this is actually from Huda Beauty. It's Pastels Rose eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. So in February, I got 2 Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. And you know what? I am very happy about that. I love Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I got the Rose Gold Remastered eyeshadow palette in my Ipsy Glam Bag X. And that is such an awesome and beautiful palette. And I love the packaging on this. Okay, let's see what the shades look like. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. And the pastels definitely give me kind of like Easter spring vibes. I love this. This is pretty unique. I feel like this would be a really fun eyeshadow look. I love to try and use like every shade in these 9-pan palettes. But I love there's like a mix of mattes, shimmers. This shimmer is like multicolored. Oh my gosh, this is so fun and so cute. This Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette retails for $29. So I know Huda Beauty makes these 9-pan Obsessions palettes, but I'm not sure I realized there was a whole pastel collection. I wonder if that's new. But I've tried out like the gemstone versions of the Obsessions palettes, and those are so awesome. The next product here is Pero Primero Primer, Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. What is the brand of this? But according to my product information here, this is from the brand Alamar Cosmetics. It's the Pero Primero Primer, Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. Is this it says a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and maximize color and pearl dimension. Okay, so it's an eye primer. Interesting. This like doesn't give any information on the packaging as to what it is, what brand it is, but apparently this is the full-size product that retails for $15. Well, I am very interested to try this out because I really believe in eye primers. I think that they make such a difference, and I try and use an eyeshadow primer every time I wear eyeshadow. And this seems like maybe it's more like a glitter primer. It's not the type of product I get very often in my beauty subscription boxes, so I'm glad to see that, and I think it's a product that people really need. Next, I have from Tarte. I love Tarte. This is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. You know, this is very familiar. I think I've tried this before. Yes, I actually do already have this, and I got it in Ipsy. So I'm like, did I already get this in BOXYCHARM? No, I got this in Ipsy last year. So if you want to see my full review video on this, I'll have that linked in the description down below. It's actually a really great eyeliner. It's a kind of pencil twist-up eyeliner on one end and a liquid eyeliner on the other. But I have said this too many times. I don't want any more black eyeliners in my subscription boxes. And I was just saying how the eye primer is not a type of product I get very often at all in beauty subscriptions. Now, black eyeliner is something I get pretty much every single month and not a product that I wear all that often at all. But the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner retails for $24. Next, I have a product here from Elemis. It's the Musclease Active Body Oil. Relaxing body oil for tired legs and muscle tension. Rosemary, maritime pine, sea fennel. Relieves, relaxes, soothes. That is very interesting. I honestly have not worked out to the point of having sore muscles in a while. Ooh, very nice packaging on this. But maybe this will inspire me to do a tough workout, because then when I'm really sore after, I'll have this to kind of relax my muscles. So this Elemis Musclease Active Body Oil retails for $63.50. So that's an expensive product. It's not like a product that I feel like really suits me. I think I'd prefer something else, but interesting. It's not a product I have. Ooh, this is a fancy packaging, glass bottle here. This is from the brand Audacity, California. Blue Aura, turmeric and holy basil cleansing water. Oh, I feel like I've heard of this brand. It's an all-natural, no-rinse micellar water, formulated to make cleansing quick, refreshing, and effective. That's great. I don't use cleansing water or micellar waters all that often because I do my full skincare routine twice a day. But I guess you could still use this after washing your face. But I feel like, once again, this is kind of like a product I don't necessarily really need or see myself using. Let's see what the retail value is on this. So the Audacity Blue Aura Cleansing Water has a retail value of $39. Oh, okay. And so the last product I have here is from the brand Rodial, which I really like this brand. This is their Soft Focus Glow Drops. I believe I have tried these out before as well, but I'm pretty sure I got them in FabFitFun. Yes, I definitely have this, and I really do like these, and it's so cute. This is also a frosted glass packaging. It's so funny, I got 3 fancy glass packaged products. I remember this being pretty expensive, so let's see. Yes, the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops retail for $60. And I do have a full dedicated review video on the Rodial Glow Drops already up on my YouTube channel that I will have linked in the description down below, so that you can check that out as well. All right, so I want to be honest, my opinion, this is probably my least favorite BOXYCHARM Premium box I've ever gotten, just because it's not products that I'm that excited about. Last month, I was so excited about my products, so excited about the brands, and I like the brands that I got in this box, but I got, well, it's not BOXYCHARM's fault, but I got repeat products that I already have in my collection, but BOXYCHARM couldn't have known that. And I got like skincare type products that just don't really relate to me, like they're not really going to work into my routine. So I don't really like when I get products that are kind of just not going to get used. And I love to get makeup products. That's what makes me the most excited to get. And the makeup products that I got are really not that exciting of makeup products. Like the Huda Beauty Pastel Rose eyeshadow palette, that's the first product I pulled out, and definitely the most exciting product I got. And then a black eyeliner and a eyeshadow glue. Like, these are probably the most least exciting makeup products to get. But as I like to say, when you get these beauty subscription boxes, this is the risk you take of getting products that you might already have, you might not use. And to me, that's kind of the fun of it, is the surprise. And what's actually great is I do like the Tarte eyeliner and the Rodial Glow Drops, but since I already have them in my collection, they'll make really good giveaways or gifts for someone else so that they can try them out. But let me go ahead and do a quick recap of everything I got. So I got the Audacity Micellar Water, the Elemis Body Oil, eyeshadow primer, the Tarte eyeliner, the Rodial Glow Drops, and the Huda Beauty Pastel Rose eyeshadow palette. And that brings me to a total retail value of $230.50. So I really like to know in the comments down below your thoughts on these products if you've tried them. And a lot of times that makes me more excited about the products, that maybe when I first see them, I'm like, I'm not too sure about this. But then when you let me know in the comments down below how much you like these products or something like that, it makes me so much more excited about them. And I really want to know in the comments down below what you got in your February BOXYCHARM Premium. I'm wondering if other people are very excited about their boxes or if they're feeling like they're just not up to par with how BOXYCHARM Premium usually is. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.